Today we're looking under Array-2, problem centered average. The problem says, return the centered average of an array of ints, which we'll say is the mean average of the values, except ignoring the largest and smallest value in the array. If there are multiple copies of the smallest value, ignore just one copy, and likewise for the largest value. Use int division to produce the final answer. You may assume that the array is length 3 or more. Okay, so first off, we want to find the maximum value and the minimum value. If we look at the previous video from Array-2, we know that we can just do int max equals the first value in the array, so nums 0, and then int min equals nums 0. And now to find the average, what we need to do is have a sum, and then we divide it by the total number of numbers, the length of our array. So let's make an int sum, and we'll set that equal to 0 for now. Now we want to be able to add our numbers, so we're just going to loop through the entire array. So for int I equals 0, less than nums.length I plus plus. Now we want to do sum plus equals nums I. What this syntax means is sum equals sum plus nums I. Now we need to set our maximum value and our minimum value. So max equals math.max of max comma nums I. And then same thing with min. Min equals math.min of min comma nums I. Now we need to account for the fact that we need to ignore just one copy of both the maximum and minimum value. So we need to change our sum. So we can just do sum minus equals max plus min. And finally, we can just return. Make sure we can cast an int just to be safe. Our sum divided by, because we took out two values from the array, we can't only do nums.length. We need to do nums.length minus 2 because we took out the maximum and the minimum value. Close it all up. Let's run it. And as you can see, it works.